back, or welcome if you're new here. And this is my real life vlog. So right off of I-95 and straight to Carrie Hilliard's. If you know, you know. I'm a seafood lover. So listen, this is my another vlog. I didn't want to put them too close together, but I am currently in Savannah, Georgia. I'm here to minister the word of God on tonight. We just arrived at our hotel, and the rain is starting to come down. So I'm going to check in. I'll show you my room when I get inside. And I'm going to take a nap. It's about 2:35. Church begins at 7:30. So I have the opportunity to take a nap before worship begins. And hopefully my videographer will get some good footage from tonight's worship. So thank the Lord. He brought us here safely. He brought us here safely. I do have my food. I just went to Carrie Hilliard's. I didn't eat too much because I don't want to be overstuffed, but I did order enough for a now and later meal. So after church, I have enough to finish eating after worship. So let me go inside because the rain is starting to come down. I'll be back. So if you're new here, I'm Katrina, and this is the Priceless Pearl Life. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And sometimes on vlogs, I show you when I'm going in and out of town for ministry opportunities. But of course, you know I'm here for your home decor, cleaning, decorating, and cooking, inspiration, and motivation as well. If these are things that interest you, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do it right now. So as you can see, I have a spacious room at the Spring Hill Suites of Savannah, Georgia airport location. Thanks to my friend Joyce for this beautiful, beautiful room. I say rise up, daughters. I say stand up, daughters. I say stand up, daughters. Stay watchful, stay attentive, stay fruitful. Woo! Listen, I'm up. It's the next morning. We're on our way for the morning worship experience at the women's conference, and I threw literally like 10 curls in my hair, and this wind is not helping my little 10 curls. Well, anyway, we'll see you when we get to the church. So, a funny fact about the ending of the video. We arrived to the church, service was going on, worship was going on. My videographer was not there at the time, so I didn't get any footage from the ending of the service. So I thought I would just jump on so you'll have that fact. And literally, I'm on another trip right now for ministry. So I'm literally in the bathroom of this hotel editing this video. You'll see this video in maybe a couple of weeks, maybe. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by the channel for today for this quick vlog of my real life, my real busy life. Don't worry, for those of you who love the home decor and the cooking and the cleaning, I'll be back on next week. On next week, you can expect, I have a product that came in and I want to show you that product. And then also I have a cooking recipe. After that, I'm looking to do my fall house tour, and we'll turn our attention to Thanksgiving holiday. Yes, that's right. The Thanksgiving holiday season. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Always coming back. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a kind comment below, because that's how you help my channel to continue to grow. So until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. I have to get out of here. It's almost time for church. Love you. See you later. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share.